yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I put him in a trance. I'm in my yak, I'm on that yak.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So starting off, I'm going to be using red and brown pencils to fill in my eyebrows. Here we have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Treatment Concealer. I purposely bought this concealer this light to make my eyeshadow stand out way more, and I'm honestly happy with the results. Now I'm using my usual LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey to carve out the top of my eyebrows. I usually wouldn't do this step because it's kind of pointless, but I mean, I didn't want to look all janky, you know. Now I'm taking my $1 Super Absorbent Beauty Sponge to pat out the concealers. Now here I am using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking the blue out of the palette and just patting it in my outer corner. Using that same palette, I'm going in with the baby blue and sticking it right in the middle of my crease. And I'm taking my green and putting it right in the corner. I'm taking this purple from my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette and putting it right underneath my eyebrow. And I'm going back in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette to use the lighter purple for the inner part underneath my eyebrow. I'm blending the shades together so that way they just won't look stuck on. Taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I am using this to carve out my crease. And here I am just verbally abusing our vacuum robot.
Better get your goddamn ass out of here.
I'm taking this brown shade from my Beauty Glaze Impress You palette and putting it right on top of the concealer I just laid down. Now I'm going back in with the Age Rewind so that way my eyeshadow's vibrancy won't be taken away. Going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, I'm using the red for my outer lid. tapping into the orange to place it in the middle. And I'm taking the yellow to put it in the inner lid. Since I don't own white eyeliner, I'm just going to be using white face paint to create a winged eyeliner look. It would have been much easier for me to do this wing if I did it with an angled brush like I normally do, but for some reason I just used the brush that came with the face paint palette. I put my lashes on off camera. Now I'm going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to cover up some dark spots and redness that I do have. And I'm using my dollar sponge again to blend it out. Now I'll be using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the color 8.75. I'm grabbing some of the foundation on a smaller brush so that way I can carve out the white concealer that's under my eyes. And I'm taking my same sponge to blend everything together. Here is the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer and Bronze Babe. I put way too much on this side of my face, and you can see the annoyance in my face once I notice. But we're gonna fix that. I'm grabbing my powder brush so that way I can buff the bronzer out so it won't look like I just got slapped in the face with mud. Someone said. I'm going to take this glitter gel and put it in my inner corner just to give it a little pop. You know, the small details do matter. I'm taking the purple from my NYX Ultimate palette to add shadow to my lower line. Going back in with the red from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I also didn't get any new footage of it, but I'll be using the same yellow out of that palette as well. Now I'll be using the Master Fairy highlighter to give me exactly what I paid for it.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Now I'm taking my dollar blush that I got from Miss A's and I'll be putting it right across my nose. I'm using the brown pencils to line my lips. And now I will be using the sheer hollow gloss that I got from Miss A's as well. And now we begin the drawing. I'm starting off with using the white face paint to create clouds under my eyes. Creating some makeshift twinkles here. And I'm adding my specks to represent stars. And here is the final look. I am very satisfied with the eyeshadow. Thanks to the Adri one, I will definitely be using it again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.